God, I will read the information. Okay, here we go. The most valuable 2018 penny without a mint mark ever sold was graded MS68RD by Professional Coin Grading Service in 2022 and fetched an incredible $1,799.99. Okay, moving on to 2018 D penny. The most valuable 2018 D penny was graded MS69RD by Numismatic Guarantee Company and fetched $5,995.99.